The HICOCA paper pack end sealing machine for dried noodles is designed to handle the final end sealing and corner folding operations within a fully automated paper packaging line for dried noodles. By automating the corner folding process, it achieves complete automation of the entire end sealing and folding sequence. A dedicated folding mechanism executes the end sealing and corner folding of the paper-wrapped noodles, while an integrated gluing and ironing mechanism applies adhesive and performs heat sealing to secure the folded ends. The end sealing process utilizes a dual-stage ironing technology. This machine is capable of processing dried noodles with lengths ranging from 200 to 240 millimeters, handling package weights between 300 and 2,500 grams, and achieving a sealing speed of 15 packages per minute. The equipment incorporates advanced photoelectric sensing technology, centralized PLC control, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface. It has yielded highly satisfactory results in terms of personnel optimization, energy efficiency, safety, and hygiene, with a single unit capable of saving the labor of 1 to 2 employees.